Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly coming at you live from the Ninth Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. And today we're going to learn how to analyze your data just by pressing one single button. Check it out. Woohoo! All right, my friends, here we are at Excel, the Don't Get Mad, Get Skills, Excel Skills.xlsx. Remember, this is the extension that lets us know that we are working in an Excel workbook, .xlsx, and I'm working in particular with Office 365 version. This is also available in Office 2019. And here we have it. How would you like it to analyze your data? Sometimes you're looking at a range of data just like this one right here, and you're wondering, well, what can I do with it? What's the best way to report this data? What are the questions that I want to answer? And when you start reporting or running reports on your data, it's because you're answering questions. So there's a few different techniques. There's the quick analysis tool, and there's the analyze data tool, and then there's a data analysis tool pack. Here in Excel Basics, we're going to keep it all basic as you build a solid foundation of Excel skills to take your skills and catapult them to the next level. So here we have it, my friends. We've got the simple range of data. I'm going to keep it real simple. And we're going to go right up to the Home tab, right up here. And in the Home tab, we're going to look and see what tools we have available to us. And one of the tools that we have available to us is the Analyze Data tool. And that's there. You don't have to analyze it. It's not an add-in that you got to go in and find on the Microsoft add-in store and then add it in. No, it comes already with Microsoft Office 365 and Excel 2019. You got to make sure that you have the marquee in the data. And as you all know, I'm always emphasizing the marquee should always be where? In the data. So let's go right ahead and put the marquee in the data. Once the marquee is in the data, now we can go ahead and launch the data analysis tool. So we'll just go right up to our Home tab, click on it to view the groups, and we go to the analysis group. And in the analysis group, there we have the Analyze Data tool. So we hover over the Analyze Data tool, and a tooltip pops up that tells us that this tool will help us discover more about your data. It looks for patterns in your data that it can use to create intelligent and personalized suggestions that it's making. All right. So here we go. Marquee is in data. Let's press the Analyze Data tool. This is a small data range just to keep it simple. And then here are some results for us just right here. Look at all that. It's saying, hey, you can make a chart like this that's answering some questions. So you just look at all these different options that you have available to you, and there's 10 more results. So we can just click on here, and we can see a scatter plot. We can see clustered column charts. We can see line charts. Hey, great. Well, how about we ask a question? Look, it's giving us suggestions. It's saying, look, you can ask for what's the total of February and the total of January, and it tells us right there. Or we can just say, hey, what are the top three? What are the top 3 months? What are the top 3 sales for February? And you got to make sure you spell everything right, right? Oops, as I was saying that. February. And then enter, and there it is. That's the top 3 sales, for January and February. Oh, it's showing top 3. Oh, top 3 for February. Oh, it's showing February and it's showing January too. So there's a lot of different ways you can customize it. And you just got to play around with it and learn how you ask questions so you can get different results. And after practice, you're going to get really good at it. So when you insert, you now have a suggestion like we see right down here, this new tab. You can rename that tab, whatever you like to say. Hey, top 3 months of the January and February. Okay, and there's a lot more that you can keep doing. Let's take a look at another larger range of data. And then I'll let you go on your own and see what you can do with this tool. So we put the marquee in the data, and then let's go back to our home tab, data analysis group, and click on the analyze data tool. Click, Excel selects all the data and starts analyzing it. Right here are all kinds of different reports. And then of course we've got 36 additional results, and then we can just ask a question. We can just say, what is the company with the largest revenue? Company with the largest revenue. All right, and look, it's BMW. There you have it. According to this particular range of data that we have right here, BMW has the largest revenue. So let's just say, hey, let's insert the pivot table. In this case, it's saying generate a pivot table. So we click insert the pivot table, and then there's your pivot table. And now here we have the pivot table fields because we just have a pivot table report that we've clicked in. And so we see our pivot table fields right over here. And then you've got all the different areas so you can start working with your pivot table right then. And we can just keep working with it. You can double click. We just learned the other day. We can double click right in here, click, and drill down and to get more details on that data. Here we have all the data that goes with BMW. So my friends, there you have it. That's the Analyze Data tool in Excel. And remember what we teach here at Don't Get Mad, Get Skills are Excel basics to help you lay a solid foundation so that you can catapult your Excel skills to the next level. Don't just go and start trying doing all the hard stuff right away. Lay a solid foundation, and then you can rule Excel. Come on down, sign up for one of our Excel basics classes and start getting yourself that basic foundation. Look, it's easy. Just go right up here to don'tgetmadgetskills.com. You don't even gotta type 7 Steps Live. Just don'tgetmadgetskills.com. You're gonna end up right here at this page that has the class schedule. And look what we got coming up. That's tomorrow. Go ahead and book your spot. And how much does it cost to take these classes? This particular set of Excel basics, 7 steps to Excel success, using a learning methodology that I developed, the 7 steps to Excel success. This class is free $95. All you have to do is just be a registered student right here at Don't Get Mad, Get Skills. So my friends, remember, as always, I recommend that you keep on learning. And remember, I love you. And don't get mad, get skills. Book your spot now. Aloha.